more
Well,
about?
that's something which will show up in the data as well. But market has been like two halves this year. Clearly, Nigel. The good part is the Nifty and Bank Nifty is all-time high.
Yeah.
But the even bad part is that the broader markets have seen massive pains this year. So let me just go to the wall and show the data as well. So again, as I said, the broader market has seen a big pain in this calendar year. While the Nifty and Bank Nifties are at all-time high, multiple stocks in the broader markets are down 50 to 70%. That's the kind of fall you've seen in the broader market stocks. The next split will come up across the three major indices: the BSE small cap, the BSE mid cap, small cap, and the micro cap. In the BSE mid cap, 52% of the stocks are given negative returns. It's equally bad in the small cap and the micro cap. Now look at the first, which is the mid cap index. Look at the kind of stock correction we've seen. Ola Electric is down 52%. Brainbees is down 52%. Vedant Fashion, a good name, that is down 52%. Kalyan Jewellers is down almost 40% in this calendar year, and so is Oracle Finance, which is down 36%. So that's some of the bunch of names in the mid-cap index. Now comes the small-cap index. If that list is much higher and much more painful, Sadhana Nitrochem, that stock is down 86% in this calendar year. Vishnu Prakash was an IPO this year, that's down 72%. Dream Folks, Pakka, there was a lot of retail interest in Pakka, that stock is down 62%. And one of those listing of this year, MobiKwik, even that's down 60%. As I said, the small cap list is much bigger. Another sets of stocks will come up in the small cap basket. Praj Industries, a momentum name, a lot of institutional interest, that's down 60%. Tejas Networks is down 60%. Provek, again, it was seen as one of the big beneficiaries of tourism, that's down 60%. So is Protein eGovern and Ganesha Eco. A good institutional holding in these two names, even they are down almost 57-60%. So that's the small cap. Now comes the micro cap. A lot of pain in the micro cap stocks as well. Jindal Worldwide is down 60. Street Planners is down 55. Orchid Pharma is down 53. KNR Constructions, Root Mobile, more than 50%. So that's only the list of stocks which are down more than 50% in calendar year. Now is the mid cap index, the Nifty mid cap 100 index. All good names. Swiggy is down 25%. Supreme Industries, NTPC Green, Godrej Properties from the real estate pack, that's down 25%. And IRB Infra is also down 25%. So that's the kind of list. Across mid, small, micro, everything is down. Now look at some of the standout names within those big losers. Ola Electric, from the IPO price, it's down almost 65%. But from the highs, it's down 74%. And now the company is saying that they're going to raise funds via QIP. So again, Ola Electric has been a big disaster in this calendar year. The second name is Sadhana Nitro. I identified this because the stock was down almost 86%. The promoter holding has fallen down from 65 to almost 30% in this calendar year. So clearly it looks like it's the retails who have lapped up and their holding has gone up big time. And that stock is down 86% in this calendar year. So that was the second name. Another new listing was this year, Vishnu Prakash. That stock is still down from the 52-week high, it's still down 76%. And even here, the story is simple. The retail holding has gone up all the way up to 26% in this calendar year. So that's Sadhana Nitro. Another stock which will come up on the screen is Ganesha Ecosphere. This is interesting. From a 52-week high of almost 2,500, now the stock this week actually hit a low of 850 and is quoting around 950 odd level. So it's down almost 63%. Interestingly, the mutual fund owns nearly 22% in that particular stock. And the last name is Provek. It was seen as a big play on the tourism. That stock from a high of 1,300 is down nearly 77% and hit a low of 300 rupees. Even there, the current, the retail holding is quite high at 20%. So clearly, whether in stocks where the promoters have sold or whether they were QIPs, everyone lapped up in this year, but the pain has been quite strong. And you can see from the data as well, a lot of mid and small cap stocks are down 50, 60, 70%. Nimesh, your thought on some of those companies where the promoters sold, the QIPs, there is money via QIP. It's a old saying that when promoters sell, it has to be negative. I mean, for a while it didn't turn out to be. Everyone thought it's a new norm. Now it's a reality, right? A lot of promoters have sold out. Retail holding has gone up. And look at the list, like 70 down, 55 down, 60 down. What's your take?
So the list that you